This fun display board is our Festive Foods, and it has quite a variety of different images on it that make me hungry. I want some of these donuts especially. So the large slim designs, I quite often design them so that you can segment them into, you either have one big long card, but you could create smaller cards with a portion of it. And on this one with the cookies, you can see here that I used the one panel to make an A2 card plus another card with the other portion of it. So lots of fun things you can do with that. And this is the latte one, and it has all different patterns that you make it look like your latte art that you can do in the cups with the cream and the caramel and the chocolate and the dark coffee. So, and then this is the Moose Mallows, and this is Merry Mallows, and I'll show you a couple more cards that I did with those sets. So the Merry Mallows have elements that you can stack into a tall character with pretzel arms, or you can make a gnome, or all of these other characters, and you can do quite a variety of different combinations with all of the different pieces. And then I did some of the Super Puff embossing powder to give the texture on the hat, and you can really see it there since I was working on the blue paper. And so on this one, I actually just moved it around to make it his little beard. So lots of fun that you can have with all of our festive foods. Thanks for taking a look.